You don't have to work, but you started up a business and you are using that business to make money for you. Even with your dog walking situation, you can industrialize your dog walking situation, because if you've got a lot of people bringing you dogs, if you've got a large property, you've got a few people on the property, you can pay everybody else to help you watch the dogs. All you got to do is just keep the dogs from fighting each other. As an online teacher, you can have one-on-ones with all of the students where they're paying you like $10, $20, $30 per kid to teach per hour. But if you're doing online teaching, you have the option on certain platforms, when you have a certain quantity of kids learning the same subject, you have the option to consolidate kids and have more kids on your thing at the same time. So if you have a big group and you've got like 5 or 6 kids all learning the same subject, you put all 5 kids into the same class, you're teaching them all the same thing at the same time. If you're getting $20 per kid and you've got 5 kids in that class, you're making $100 an hour to teach. Imagine, because it's possible if you're weeding it out and working it out where all of the kids are learning the same thing at the same time. Or if you're a niche-based teacher where you're working in a certain grade level, everybody in that grade level is coming to you. If you're doing that, you can still use this side job information where you could go from getting paid $10 to $15 a kid to teach 1 kid an hour to teach 10 kids an hour at $150 an hour. You can even do $150 for an hour and a half, where you're making $50 every 30 minutes off of the 10 kids that you're teaching. The difference is, in that scenario, is that all of the kids that are there want to be there, as opposed to in public schools where the kids don't really want to be there. They go because they have to, because their parents make them. And then you have kids whose parents tell them that the teacher better not disrespect the child, or the parent will come down there and handle this teacher. Now you've got disruptive children because they believe that they're the boss. And when you have children that believe that they're the boss, they're going to tell the teacher what to do. And now the teacher has no control over the classroom. If you are teaching kids where the parent is paying you to teach that kid, which is one of the reasons why private schools are highly encouraged. Private schools are highly encouraged because not only do they have more disciplined students because of their disciplinary tactics that still allow levels of corporal punishment that isn't encouraged in public schools, they also have students that show up and actually are forced to behave in school because their parents are paying money to be there.